Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new customers from KeyCRM to Google Calendar. This is necessary to automatically transfer new customers from KeyCRM to other systems. For example, in Google Calendar you can create new events. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, select the KeyCRM data source system. Now choose an action. Get customers, new. At this stage you need to connect your KeyCRM account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window you must specify the API key. To get it, go to your KeyCRM personal account. Next, go to your account settings, General. Copy the API key and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled in, click Continue. When the connected account appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. There are no additional settings for the KeyCRM system, so just click Continue. At this stage you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now you see data on one of your KeyCRM customers. If you are satisfied with everything, click Continue. This completes the configuration of the KeyCRM data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data destination setting. Choose the system, Google Calendar. Next you need to select an action, Create Event. At this stage you need to connect your Google Calendar account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you need to specify the login and password of your Google account. Be sure to check all access boxes. When the connected account appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this point you see Google Calendar fields for creating new events. First, select a calendar. To Google Calendar fields, you can assign variables from KeyCRM. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can use not only variables from the drop-down list, but also enter data manually. To go to a new line, use Enter. When all required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this point you see an example of the data that will be sent to Google Calendar as new events for each new customer from KeyCRM. If you are not satisfied with something, click Edit and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Google Calendar. After successful sending, go to Google Calendar and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. At this point, setting up Google Calendar as a data destination has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update and select an update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.